When it comes to chicken stew, this lemon and herb version is a game changer. The juicy chicken, fresh herbs, and a burst of lemony goodness makes every bite unforgettable. Start by cutting up your chicken into bite-sized pieces and place them in a mixing bowl. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and add a spoonful of minced ginger and garlic paste. For the herbs, I'm using fresh basil and rosemary, but you can use any fresh herbs that you love. Chop them finely and add them to the chicken. Next, we season. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of my homemade citrus herb seasoning plus 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder for warmth, coriander powder for freshness, homemade garam masala for depth, and of course some salt and black pepper. Mix everything together until each piece of the chicken is well coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. This step will make all the difference in this chicken stew. To a cooking pot, add a splash of oil and a knob of my homemade garam masala and rosemary compound butter. Let it melt and infuse the base with flavor. Add in slices of red onions and cook until soft and golden brown. Stir in more garlic and ginger and saute until fragrant. Now season with paprika powder, a touch of garam masala and some salt. Let the spices bloom in the oil to release the aroma. Next, add in the tomatoes and let them cook down until they break into a thick and rich base. For an extra punch of flavor, add some chopped coriander stems and a few chili peppers for heat. Stir and let everything soften beautifully. At this point, your chicken should be well marinated with a citrusy, fresh and herby aroma. Add it to the pot and stir until fully coated with a flavorful base. Cover and let it cook gently for about 30 minutes until the chicken is soft, tender and perfectly cooked through. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of color and freshness. Give it a stir and you've got a bright, aromatic lemon and herb chicken stew that is light, comforting and absolutely delicious. Serve it with rice, chapati, ugali or mashed potatoes and you've got yourself a complete meal. Check out my chicken stew with bell peppers. It's just as flavorful and I know you'll enjoy it. See you there.